Good morning. Today, starting off with some quiet conditions now in Fargo, but it wasn't like that just a couple of hours ago. We had snow move through, so we're still dealing with that here in the valley. But it's quiet now, and we're looking at some weather today that should end up being on the quieter side coming up, which is, of course, a good thing as we're working our way toward those rivers rising. Some of us still seeing, or actually seeing those rivers go down. The Red River in Wahpeton starting to drop. Other places just getting things going. You could see anywhere in green here, we've got some flood alerts, and that includes the James River Valley, the Fargo-Moorhead area included in that, Grand Forks as well, seeing some river rise going on there too. And conditions will continue to be deteriorating for some of us here as, of course, that spring thaw continues on. Here's a look at the Red River in Fargo. You can see that we are at almost 23 feet here for our current reading. And over the next few days, we'll rise into major flood stage through the weekend, with our crest expected to be closer to 35 feet starting next week. So that gives you an idea of what to expect in Fargo. And of course, rivers rising throughout the valley. You can check on those river levels at the Valley News Live weather app. And here's a look at the radar. Lots of snow that was streaming through just a couple hours ago, and that is dwindling quite a bit here now this morning. But some of us did see a few snow showers pass through even this morning after yesterday's snow squall. So Fergus Falls back over to Battle Lake, seeing some snow there along Highway 210 back into Wilkin County too. And expanding the view, you could see the energy moving eastward between Duluth and Minneapolis now. And I'm hoping our snow chances will be dwindling here through the next couple of hours. But don't be surprised if you see a few flakes underneath those clouds at any point this morning. Visibility looking pretty good. Of course, where there is snow falling, you're going to see your visibility reduced. Your wind is pretty light, less than 10 miles per hour in most areas. Sisseton, the one exception, with a gust to 29. And our temperatures, most of us below freezing. We've got 3 spots: Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, and Wahpeton right at the freezing mark. Fargo's at 28 and it's 26 degrees in Grand Forks. So a look at your hour-by-hour planner. Gradually the clouds move on, the snow moves on. This is 7 a.m., so a couple of hours from now or so. We're really looking at things kind of winding down, though again, can't rule out a few flakes where we're still getting some cloud cover. Heading into the 9 a.m. hour, lots of sunshine, temperatures into the 30s by the time we get to noon. We're rising above the freezing mark in just about every spot today. The one exception may be up around Lake of the Woods and the Southern Valley, getting to that 40-degree mark, so warming things up again, continuing that melting process, especially with that sunshine, April sunshine, plus temperatures above freezing, continuing that speed up of the melt. And then heading into this afternoon, or later this afternoon and later tonight, temperatures will be into the 30s coming up for us here in the forecast, and late tonight back below freezing again. So tomorrow morning starting off quietly, except for the fact that we've got some stronger winds gusting at that point. You could see that the clouds are starting to move into starting around 7 a.m. Sunday, and especially into the late morning and afternoon. Can't rule out underneath any of these clouds some precipitation. It depends on what time of day, what phase of precipitation it will be. So some of us in the morning may see a few flakes. Into the afternoon, you could see some rain showers possible. Temperatures a couple of degrees warmer tomorrow than today, but again, increase in cloud cover for the day and into the nighttime hours tomorrow night with some of this precipitation hanging around. Here's your photo today. This is in the Twin Valley area, the Wild Rice River in Minnesota. This is the Highway 32 bridge. You can see the water flowing there. Thanks, Dan, for sharing that. And we're rapidly warming things up. By the end of the week, we'll hit 50 on Saturday. And with it comes not only a chance for rain, but you can see some flashes there on the storm cloud on Sunday. We may see a little thunder with that rain. I'll have to keep an eye out for that, but certainly warming things up.
I'm a little excited for that. You know, first one of the year. It's kind of like first snow of the year. Yep. You always get a little giddy when it happens.
Yeah. Thank you, Lisa. Need to take a trip to the tropics? Then stick around. Just ahead, we'll tell you how you can go to paradise with NDSU's Pre-Vet Club.